was called 小小那鲁湾, and this group consists of Taiwanese mom and children. They are proud to perform and show everyone the beautiful culture of Taiwan and the vivid spiritual. So our youngest performers are only 3 years old, and this group also being taught and led by Nora Lee. Let's give them a big applause. Okay, thanks Postcard to bring such an amazing show to us. 小小那鲁湾 Postcard 起立，李正，敬礼，谢谢大家。All right, come.